亲密的爱人，这是我一生中最兴奋的时分。
Right now in Holland, there is no event which is interesting for older Chinese generation, younger Chinese generation, and the Dutch audience. The only place that they will be together it's Chinese restaurants. So we want to break through that. That's how the idea of Sound of China is born. Because music is universal, no matter your age, your culture. By bringing them together, we create more understanding in two different generations and two different cultures.
今夜还吹着风，想起你好温柔，有你的日子分外的轻松。也不是无影踪，只是想你太浓，怎么会无时无刻把你梦？爱的路上有你，我并不寂寞，你对我那么的好，这次真的不同。也许我应该好好把你拥有。
I think Teresa Teng is really important in Chinese music because she let everybody understand and know it. Chinese song can be in different style, and I think it's really a courage that she is a woman. She do such a big things to change the Chinese song style in those times. I really like her, and she remind me a lot of memories of my childhood. I like it.
When I was little, I didn't really listen to the music of Teresa Teng, but my parents definitely did. They would work a lot of hours each week. Any little moment of rest that they had, they would grab Teresa Teng's music. I guess it makes them remember home and where they come from. And yeah, to see my parents enjoy that little moment of the day, that's really special.
So whenever I hear the songs of Teresa Teng, it makes me think about my time when I studied in Beijing. And I immediately started to like the song because the lyrics are so sweet and the melody is so nice. Now whenever I still hear her music, I think of the time when I went with my Chinese friends to karaoke and I would always sing her songs.
We thank you, Dulan, for giving Studio Z this opportunity to organize Sound of China event. In the future, we want to make more these kind of events to show the modern kind of Chinese culture, because Chinese culture is a lot of more, and we really hope to work with Dulan more in the future for more this kind of interesting concerts.